Hey guys, welcome to Speak About Digital. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can easily use Flowlu. I'm going to cover a very quick basic tutorial to get you going and understand how Flowlu works. Flowlu is a comprehensive project management and CRM tool designed to help you streamline your business operations. Whether you're a small business owner or a part of a larger team, Flowlu can help you manage your tasks, projects, finances, and customer relationships in one centralized platform. Just before we start, please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Flowlu tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is, if you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link down below in the description. It's very easy to create an account, and if you already have an account, just skip this step and let's sign in. And here we are in my Flowlu account. I created this new account for the purpose of explanation, so you can follow the steps with ease. When you first log into your Flowlu account, you will be directed to your basic settings page. The home page is the central hub of the platform, where you can access all of the tools and features that Flowlu offers. The home is divided into two main sections, the left navigation panel and the top navigation panel. These two panels provide quick access to all of the important areas of the platform. The left navigation panel is the primary navigation tool on the dashboard. It contains several sections, including Home, Tasks, CRM, Projects, Finance, My Team, Agile, Knowledge Base, More, and Reports. Each section contains a range of tools and features that you can use to manage your work and collaborate with your team. The Home tab is the default tab of your Flowlu account. It contains several sections, including Tasks, Messages, Schedule Consultation, Finance, and the Plus button. In the Tasks section, you can see all of the tasks that you have assigned to yourself, as well as any tasks that have been assigned to you by your team members. You can also create new tasks directly from this section. The Messages section displays all of the messages that you have received from the Flowlu team and your team members. You can also send messages to your teammates from this section. The Schedule Consultation card provides you with the option to book a demo to learn more about Flowlu's features and how they benefit your business. The Finance section shows you a breakdown of your income and expenses, allowing you to keep track of your finances in one place. The Plus button is used to add a new dashboard to your home screen. You can create a custom dashboard to display the data and information that is most important to you. Overall, the home page is customizable. You can customize your home page based on your needs. The Tasks tab is a powerful tool for managing your tasks efficiently. This tab is designed to help you organize your work by displaying your tasks for today, tomorrow, and tasks without a specific date. Additionally, this tab allows you to view your tasks in different formats such as To-Do List, Kanban Board, and List View. From this tab, you can create new tasks, set due dates, assign tasks to team members, and track progress. The CRM tab is designed to help you manage your customer relationships effectively. It provides you with a complete overview of your customers, including organizations, contacts, and opportunities. Organization records provide you with comprehensive information about your customers, including the projects or opportunities they are involved in, tasks and appointments scheduled with them, issued invoices and estimates, personal information, attached files, and notes. Contacts are individual people who can also be members of an organization. One person can be related to multiple organizations, and you can specify different positions for each relation. Opportunities represent all of the actions taken towards closing a sale, from start to finish. You can track every stage of the sales process and ensure that you are providing your customers with the best possible experience. In addition to managing your customer relationships, the CRM tab allows you to track your activities. You can see all of your overdue activities, today's and tomorrow's activities in one place, making it easy to stay on top of your schedule and ensure that you never miss an important deadline. The Projects tab in Flowlu is an essential tool for managing your projects. This tab enables you to create new projects, assign tasks to team members, and track progress. From this tab, you can view your projects in different formats such as by workflows, portfolios, and the overall list of projects. This feature is particularly helpful in keeping track of your project's progress, ensuring that you are on track and meeting your deadlines. The Finance tab is designed to help you manage your finances efficiently. It allows you to create new invoices, recurring invoices, and estimates. From this tab, you can create invoices and send them to your clients to get paid faster. The Finance tab provides you with a complete overview of your finances, enabling you to make more informed decisions about your business's financial health. The My Team tab allows you to view all of your team members in one place. From this tab, you can send invitations to your team members to join your team. You can also manage their roles and permissions, ensuring that they have the access they need to complete their tasks effectively. This feature is particularly helpful for managers who want to keep track of their team's progress and ensure that everyone is working towards the same goal. The Agile tab is a unique feature of Flowlu that enables you to visualize your workflow stages by columns. This tab provides you with an overview of your work and allows you to see what has not been started, what is in progress, and what has been finished and delivered. This feature is particularly helpful for Agile teams who want to work more efficiently and effectively. The Knowledge Base tab is a useful feature that allows you to record and store valuable information, guidelines, and articles. You can create one or more knowledge bases, set up access rights, and easily add new articles. This information can be used to train your employees and provide quick answers to any questions that may arise. The knowledge base can save you time and increase productivity by ensuring that the information you need is readily available. The More tab provides access to additional features such as files, products, email, calendar, record lists, and onboarding. This tab also provides access to a variety of apps. This feature allows you to customize your Flowlu experience based on your individual needs and preferences. You can access all of your important information and tools from a single location, which can help increase your efficiency and productivity. The Reports tab provides a comprehensive overview of your tasks, CRM, projects, finance, and agile projects. This feature allows you to quickly access data and gain insights into your business operations. You can use this information to make informed decisions and identify areas for improvement. The Reports tab can be an invaluable tool for tracking your progress and achieving your business goals. In addition to the left navigation panel, Flowlu's dashboard features a top navigation panel that provides quick access to several important tools and features, including a plus button, search bar, calendar, add account, notes, notification panel, chat, help, and profile section. The plus button allows you to create new tasks, events, projects, opportunities, organizations, contacts, invoices, and agile projects. With just one click, you can access any of these options and create a new item quickly. Another feature on the top navigation panel is the search bar. The search bar allows you to find any task, project, contact, or any other item in your Flowlu account. You can enter a keyword in the search bar and it will show you all the relevant results. The calendar feature on the top navigation panel lets you view and manage your events. You can create new events and view them by month, week, day, or in a list format. The calendar will notify you whenever there is a new event. The Add Account tab allows you to add new accounts such as Gmail and IMAP. This feature makes it easy to manage multiple accounts from one platform. The Notes tab lets you create new notes and view them in a list format. This feature is helpful for keeping track of important information and tasks. The notification panel provides you with updates and notifications about your tasks, projects, and other activities. The chat feature allows you to communicate with your team members in real time. You can select a contact and start chatting with them. The Help and Support section gives you access to articles, demos, and what's new in Flowlu. You can also book a demo to learn more about Flowlu's features. Lastly, the Profile section lets you manage your profile and personalize it. You can manage apps, subscriptions, and portal settings. This section is helpful for customizing your Flowlu account to meet your needs. Flowlu offers a range of plans designed to fit different needs and budgets. These plans include free, team, business, professional, and enterprise, providing users with a variety of features and levels of support to choose from. The free plan is perfect for small teams or individuals who are just starting out and don't need many advanced features. It offers 2 users, 1 GB of storage, unlimited projects and tasks, and unlimited contacts. For larger teams with more complex requirements, the team plan is a great option. Overall, Flowlu's plans and pricing are flexible and designed to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Whether you're just starting out or have a large established team, there is a plan that will work for you. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Flowlu. There are more things to learn about Flowlu, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.